Okay, let's show how to use an email template. If you want to email one of your customers and you want to use a pre-written email from our library, this is how you do it. So you're logged into Hubspot. You find your contact. I'm going to use Michelle Woodcock because it's the first thing I see. Click on her name and say I want to do an email right here. And right here it says templates. And if I go templates, I can pick one of these available templates. And I click on this one and it fills this in. It fills in the subject, dear customer name, you change the name, put Michelle in here, and away we go. It automatically put my footer in here because I'm sending an email from me. Hopefully your email footer will come up here for you. And that's about it to use a template. If I wanted to do, maybe I want to go over the other ones. Let's see. So we have explained how to use our website. Say someone wants to know what are the steps to order on our website. There's a how-to here. Don't think people need it, but you never know. Some people struggle. If you have an RFQ on some mats and kind of want to upsell, this is an email that says, well, here's your quote on the mats. And oh, by the way, would love to come to your place and do a sample wall-to-wall install in the bathroom to kind of lead them into the wall-to-wall thing, if that's applicable for your customer. And then once your mat has shipped, you get a confirmation from Lisa or Doug. This is an email that you can use to say, hey, we just want to let you know we shipped your mat and we're excited, that we know you're going to have good results and blah, blah, blah. Really good stuff here about, a nice communication path from order to receive and setting expectations high. Another example might be shipping a sample. You found someone's interested, you think it's a worthwhile investment of our money to give them a $400 mat, $460 mat, then this is an email you can try, and you say, hey, look, hope you're doing well. We're pleased to let you know that we shipped you a mat. Our mats are designed to be super awesome and etc. Blah, blah, blah. And then we have another template here for trade show inquiries. So these are, hey, we were interested in your trade show, and these are the kind of things that Magic Shields would like to know about in order to consider registering and paying the fees, etc. So if there's any other templates you guys would like, we can create more. Just let me know. This is Mike Casha, Vice President of Sales, Magic Shields. Thank you.